Now, before we jump into the content of this course, I should mention the AZ 104 exam, which has been announced as the replacement for the 103 exam. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between 103 and 104, and we're going to give you some advice in terms of what to do if you're in the middle of studying. So, you are currently taking a course that is optimized around the AZ 103 exam and content. I'm going to flip over to this presentation here where it explains the AZ 103 exam is still valid and you can take it all the way up until August 31st. So you can go online, book the test anytime between now and August 31st. If you pass it, you will receive your Azure Administrator certification. That certification is good for 2 years. Now, Microsoft has recently come out with the AZ 104 exam as a replacement. So at some point, August 31st, the 103 exam will no longer be available and you'll only have the 104 exam to take. Now, currently, the AZ 104 exam is in a beta period. So as of now, in April, this exam is available for people to take and for a testing process. It is available until the end of May. Now, this course will be updated with new and updated videos, and so you don't have to purchase a new course. And if you've already bought this course, there's no need to refund it. You're going to get the updates for free. Now, to explain what is this beta period for the AZ 104, basically the tests are going to be slightly longer, so there'll be more time and more questions. And the main thing is you're not going to get the results instantly. Okay, so you are going to have to wait several weeks till from the point where you took the test to get the results. Now, let's say you take the test now in April. Well, the beta runs until May, and then it takes about 4 or 5 or 6 weeks after the end of the beta for that results to be known. So we're looking at perhaps July before you can get your results, maybe even later than that. Now, it can be cheaper. Currently, Microsoft has put out some discount codes. I'll point you to their blog post. If you go to the Microsoft Learning blog, there is a post about this exam, but they are offering a discount to the first 300 people to take this to get it for 80% off, and there's a coupon code for that. Now, the thing is, as of today, so it just came out today, my understanding is this is already sold out. So already 300 people have already signed up. So if you do want to take the 104 test, you are looking at, well, I can switch this to United States dollars, 165. So full price. It's not cheaper to take the beta unless this code gets renewed or they create a new code or something. Okay. It's also, the beta is not available in some countries. So some of the big countries like India, China, Pakistan, Turkey, this isn't even an option. If you pass the 104 exam, you do get the same certification as if you pass the 103. It's still valid for 2 years. And so you're not really getting an advantage for taking the beta, except if you really want to. Some people like to take things earlier than other people. So, like I said, this course is focused around the AZ 103 content. You go into your search engine, search for AZ 103. And you're going to be able to go under skills measured and see the outline of the exam. If you're interested in taking the 104, you can obviously find the 104 page, book the exam online. Keep an eye out for that discount code if they ever renew it. And you'll see a different set of skills in this PDF. Anyways, I just wanted to explain that this is something that's out there, something that's coming, but we do have quite a long time. We do have until August 31st, 2020 to take the 103 exam. My recommendation for you, all else being equal, is that you should study for, take, and pass the AZ 103 test. There is a lot more study materials out there, including this course, and you do have quite a lot of time to pass that exam. 104 is in beta. It's only for a limited period. It takes, again, many weeks or months to get your results. And in the end, you end up with the same result. I don't think it's any easier. So there's not really any benefit to doing the 104 in my book. It's up to you. If you want to do the 104, that's great. Anyways, let's get into the course.